Hi, Missima.
Hello.
Can you please tell me what you're gonna do with Gelson?
I'm doing Gelson's assessment. It's
Okay.
called the ABLES assessment.
Okay.
So assessment for basic language and learning.
Okay.
And we do this assessment every 6 months.
Uh-huh.
So it's now 6 months. So I'm going to see the progress that Gelson has made.
Okay.
Okay, so Gelson, are you ready?
Gelson?
Okay.
You're ready? Okay. So what do you want to work for?
Work for.
Yeah, what do you want to work for?
Nom.
What's Umnum?
Day.
Can you tell me what Umnum is?
Racing.
You want to work for racing?
Nom.
Okay.
Nom and endless.
Okay, is that like some type of racing game or a racing car?
Racing games.
Okay, so listen, I'm going to ask you some questions and then you can play your racing game.
We play nom.
Okay, you're going to play Omnum. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Look, I'm going to show you this picture. Look, what is she doing?
She is brushing.
What's he doing?
He is reading.
What's this person doing?
He is eating.
Can I see Missima? Okay, thank you.
Here, look, sit up. What's this person doing?
She is sleeping.
Nice looking. What's this person doing?
He is gluing.
What's this girl doing?
He is writing.
Look at this boy. What is he doing?
He is playing.
What is he playing with?
Playing.
Yeah, he's playing with a plane. That's right. Hey, do you know what this boy is doing?
Boy is getting.
Nice looking at the pictures. Hands down. Look, what are these people doing?
People is creating.
What are they doing?
Creating.
Okay.
What is that? Making a cake or what is?
Okay, here. What is she doing?
She is arting.
Okay. Okay, sit up. What's happening here? What's this person doing?
Person is she is writing.
Can I
Okay.
see?
Gelston,
Oh, yes.
here, sit up. Do this one. Show me waving. What's your teacher's name?
Thank you.